Hey guys, Jimmy from the Gaming Gadget Grader going to unbox the Beats Studio 3 wirelesses, show you what's inside. First, start with the outside. So we've got the white edition here with the gold trim, really nice looking. So pure active noise canceling with up to 22 hours of battery life. We'll have to see how that pans out. Little note here on the side from Dr. Dre, people aren't hearing all the music. With Beats, people are going to hear what the artists hear and listen to the music the way they should, the way I do. All right, here on the back we see notifications about Bluetooth, pure adaptive noise canceling, active noise canceling off for low power mode, battery lasts up to 22 hours with active noise canceling, 40 hours with not active noise canceling on. Also a 10-minute charge will give you 3 hours of play. Also you can control, just like normal, control music, control calls, with the built-in wireless microphone. All right, so it looks like you get headphone jack as well, and then also the charging cable for the headphones. So let's open it up. The Beats box, open it up, and change the way you hear sound is right there. Open it up, and a Beats carrying case. There goes that. So a hard shell carrying case, black and red like normal. We'll save that for a second. Let's see what else is in here. Let's pull this tab. Beats like to go with their tabs here. And so now we have looks instruction manual. Always stickers in here, so make sure you check that out. Beats always hooks up the stickers. Here is a carabiner, Beats branded carabiner. I guess so you can attach the hard shell case to a backpack. So yeah, right there. Goes right there. Wired phone cable here. And so this has the inline microphone, 3.5mm jack here on each side. You'll notice the 3 rings for stereo audio and also for the microphone. So I don't know if I'll carry it with me, but there's an option for good phone calls. And then here is the charging cable, the fast charge, touting a 10-minute charge, gets you 3 hours of play. So this is a micro USB. So this, not a huge fan. I mean, I have hundreds of micro USBs around the house. This is a proprietary Beats branded one. I'm sure, you know, has a little more to it than just like a $1 one you'll find at the store. But I don't want to carry a cable just for the headphones. I mean, some of the Beats equipment has lightning charging capabilities, which is really nice. But I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Wish this was lightning and not USB micro, but it is what it is. All right, let's get to the start of the show. So here's the hard shell case again, nice and hard. I mean, I'm pressing on it real hard here, and I'm barely making an impact on it. You see that in focus? I got a little marker on my finger. But anyway, yeah, I mean, those are really protected in there. All right, let's open it up. Oh, the first zip is always the hardest. And sorry, a little bit more. Here we are. There they are. Nice and simple, white with the gold trim. That looks really good. The white with the gold trim. So there's the one ear cup. This is which side is this? This is the right ear cup. And you see there the charging port. A little bit of bend there to the ear cup just from in packaging. So you charge it up, take that off. Assuming this is then the power side of things right here. Yep. So that's, I guess, going to show, I'm assuming the 5 will be power bars, and then that's a pairing mode, I'm guessing. Then over here, the simple controls. This is the left earbud, left side. These are the controls for wireless mode. So obviously, here's wired mode, which, you know, 2020, and I'm not trying to do wired mode anymore. I want wireless mode. So volume up and down, and then play, answer, normal stuff. You know, double tap for next track, single tap for play, single tap for pause, single tap to answer a call. But we'll have to give these a try and play with them more. But I'm really excited about the audio quality. We have the Solo wirelesses, which are so nice. We have the Powerbeats Pros, which are probably the best workout headphones on the market. And now these are kind of just like comfort, you know, riding on an airplane or just kind of lounging around. You don't, obviously with these being white, you don't want to sweat in them. These are the really high-end guys that you want to take really good care of, and we'll do that. Give you a full review coming up here shortly. But again, these are the Studio Wireless 3s from Beats.